Cheez-It chicken tenders. Oh my gosh, so good. So, continue on to see what this recipe is like, guys. Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here. And today, we're going to be making Cheez-It chicken tenders. So, what you're going to need for this, so we got about a pound of the chicken tenders, which is where you take the chicken breast and you just cut strips out of it. So that's a chicken tender if you don't know that. So these are pre-cut chicken tenders you can get from the store. And you'll need a cup and a half of Cheez-Its Crackers, and you're going to need 3 eggs for this. You can also do salt, pepper, or whatever seasoning you want for the chicken. I'm not going to do that. So because the Cheez-Its have enough flavor, so you don't need the salt and pepper to go with them. So let's get this going and see how it all turns out. It'll be really good and we'll enjoy it. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, for some little bit of prep stuff, you're gonna need the 2 bowls. One bowl will be for the eggs, and then another bowl will be for the Cheez-It. When you get those crushed, we'll need a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin. So let's go ahead and get all this to go in here. So we'll go ahead and get our eggs together here. Like that. Well, I managed to get some eggshell in there. Let me go ahead and get that eggshell out. Alright, so we'll need the 3 eggs in here. Okay. So we'll go ahead and get this egg mixture mixed up. Alright, there we go. Okay. Now, let me wash my hands, and then we'll come back and do the Cheez-Its part. Okay, guys. Our next step, we'll take our Ziploc bag, pour in our cup and a half of the Cheez-It Crackers, seal it up, get them out on there, and you can easily take the rolling pin and we'll just roll this back and forth to crush up the Cheez-It Crackers. We're just going to make sure that these are crushed up real good. And as you're doing this, You want to preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees, and that will be all good there. We'll set our rolling pin off to the side a little bit. And we'll get everything situated here for the chicken tenders. Okay. Now, I'm gonna pour our crushed Cheez-Its in here, and our egg mixture. Now, we're going to take our chicken tender and we're going to dredge it in the egg mixture, or eggs, and then dredge it in the or let it sit there for a little bit. Get our chicken covered in eggs real good, then dredge them in the cracker mix. Alright, just lay that there and get this all good here. Let's rinse this off a little bit. Okay, so as we do here, we got this all warmed up here, so we're going to just go ahead and pull this out, and I'm going to go ahead and give this a little quick spray with the cooking spray, and we will lay the chicken tenders down in here. Okay, there we go, and we'll go ahead and finish up our chicken tenders. We'll leave some room here. We'll do this in 2 batches. So, alright, so I'll just roll this last one in here and get it covered with the Cheez-It Crackers. Alright, we'll lay that down in there, and we'll go ahead, put it in there, and get that back up to, well, now I'm going to cook it at 7 minutes on one side to make sure that we got it flipped over. And so, alright, we're going to wait 7 minutes. And while we're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and cover up the rest of them so they're waiting for the next one. Alright guys, well, I'll see you shortly when these are all done in the air fryer. Okay guys, it's done with this. So what we're going to do, we're going to take these and flip these over and give a good look at them. Man, they're looking pretty good here, but we're going to flip them over and cook them for another 7 minutes to make sure they're done. Alright, so we'll let these cook for another 7 minutes, make sure they're really good and done, and then we'll put the other batch in while we do a taste test on these. So, alright guys, we're almost there. Okay guys, we're going to take this out here and set these on here. Oh, those look good. Cooked just perfect too. Yep, 7 minutes on each side, guys. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and spray this again and put the rest of this in here. And then I'm going to let these chicken tenders cool. And we'll give it a little bit of a taste test and see how that goes. Alright, so there we go. So we'll go ahead and put this in here. Alright. Go ahead and put that in. Alright. Now, I found that 7 minutes works perfectly. Look how good those look. So I'm going to let these cool for just a little bit, and then we'll give it a little bit of a taste test. So I'll see you guys here shortly. Okay guys, as you can see, there's our chicken tenders, and I got some ranch dip. You can get your favorite kind, or find favorite kind of dressing or dip for your dip. And these look so good, nice crispy. Coats looks really good. Still kind of hot, but we're gonna go ahead and give this a try here. Go ahead and dip this in here and see how it turns out. That is cooked, guys. Taste the You can taste the Cheez-Its right along with the your dipping sauce. These are so good, guys. Definitely good. Woo. Still a little warm on the I didn't let them sit long enough, I guess. Alright guys, well these were the Cheez-It chicken tenders. It'd go great for a party or maybe for a meal for the family. Just put them with, get some sides to put with it, fries or something like that, and you'll be good to go. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please take the time to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think. If you try it out, let me know how it turns out for you guys. And you can also use the other flavors of Cheez-Its as well for a little bit of variety. So I didn't put salt and pepper on these, but if you like, you can. Since the crackers have a lot of salt, you can leave the salt out to keep the sodium down if you like. Okay guys, well, I'm going to head on out of here, and I want you to enjoy the day the Lord's giving you. And I'm going to finish these up and enjoy my day as well. So I'll see you guys later. Real good.